Tom was walking home after school. He saw a small puppy nearby. The puppy looked hungry and tired. It stood beside the quiet road. Tom wanted to help the puppy. Tom slowly walked toward the puppy. The puppy moved back very quickly. It looked afraid of Tom then. Tom stopped and smiled very gently. He waited there without making noise. Tom took some food from his bag. He placed the food near puppy. Then Tom stepped back very slowly. The puppy smelled the food carefully. Then it came closer to eat. The puppy started eating the food. Tom watched without making any noise. The puppy looked very happy then. Its little tail moved very quickly. Tom smiled when he saw this. Tom gently touched the puppy's head. The puppy did not run away. It looked directly into Tom's eyes. Tom felt very happy at that moment. He wanted to help the puppy. Tom looked around the nearby road. Nobody seemed to own the puppy. There was no house nearby either. Tom checked the puppy very carefully. He found a small collar. The collar had one name written. The name was written very clearly. It said Max on the collar. Tom wondered where Max lived. He decided to search nearby. Tom walked around the neighborhood slowly. Max followed him very closely. They checked many nearby houses together. Nobody knew the little puppy. Tom continued searching very patiently. After some time they stopped walking. Tom saw an old woman nearby. She was looking around very worriedly. She was calling for her puppy. Max suddenly started running toward her. The woman saw Max running quickly. She opened her arms immediately. Max jumped into her arms happily. She hugged him very tightly. Tears came into her eyes. Tom walked toward the woman slowly. She thanked Tom for helping Max. Tom smiled and felt very happy. He explained everything to her. She thanked him again warmly. The woman told Tom everything then. Max disappeared that morning suddenly. She searched everywhere for many hours. She felt extremely worried about him. She thought Max was completely lost. Tom felt happy for Max. He was glad to help him. The woman offered Tom some money. Tom politely refused her kind offer. He only wanted Max to be safe. The woman smiled warmly at Tom. She thanked him once again. Tom started walking toward his home. Max watched him from there. Then Max barked very loudly. Tom turned around and smiled happily. Max was wagging his tail quickly. The woman laughed beside him. Tom waved goodbye to Max. Then he continued walking home. Tom reached home before sunset. His mother was waiting near doorway. She asked about his day. Tom told her everything happily. His mother felt very proud. She listened to his story carefully. Then she hugged Tom tightly. She said helping others always matters. Tom remembered those simple words. He felt very happy inside. That night Tom thought deeply. He remembered the little puppy. He wondered about Max again. He hoped Max stayed completely safe. Then Tom went to sleep. The next morning Tom woke early. He prepared for school quickly. His mother packed his lunch. Tom smiled while leaving home. He remembered yesterday's happy moment. Tom walked toward his school slowly. He saw the same woman nearby. She was standing near the school gate. Max was standing beside her. Tom became very surprised. The woman smiled warmly at Tom. She held something in her hand. She walked toward him slowly. Then she gave him something. Tom looked at it carefully. It was a small gift. The woman wanted to thank Tom. Tom opened the small box. Inside was a beautiful watch. Tom became very surprised. Tom said he could not accept. He did not want such gifts. The woman smiled very warmly. She said it was something special. But Tom still refused. The woman then explained everything carefully. The watch belonged to her family. It had special family meaning. She wanted Tom to keep it. It would remind him of kindness. Tom finally accepted the beautiful watch. He promised to use it carefully. The woman thanked him once again. Max barked happily beside her. Tom smiled at Max. Tom entered school with happiness. His friends asked about the watch. Tom told them the whole story. They listened with great interest. Everyone admired Tom's kindness. One friend asked Tom something. "Why did you help Max?" Tom thought for several seconds. Then he answered very simply, "Because Max needed my help." His friends became very quiet. They understood Tom's simple answer. Sometimes kindness needs no reason. Sometimes helping feels naturally right. Tom taught them something important. After school Tom walked home. He noticed something beside the road. A tiny bird was sitting there. Its wing looked badly hurt. Tom stopped immediately to help. Tom carefully picked up the bird. He carried it home very gently. His mother brought a small box. They placed the bird inside safely. Then they called a doctor. The doctor examined the little bird. Its wing was only injured. The doctor treated it very carefully. He gave Tom some simple instructions. Tom listened very carefully. Tom cared for the bird daily. He gave water every morning. He provided food every evening. He kept the box very clean. The bird slowly became stronger. After several days the bird improved. It started moving both wings. Tom felt extremely happy again. His mother watched with great pride. They knew it was ready. Tom carried the bird outside gently. He opened the box very slowly. The bird looked around for moments. Then it spread both wings. It flew high into the sky. Tom watched the bird flying away. He felt very proud inside himself. His mother smiled beside him. She said kindness always comes back. Tom remembered those beautiful words. The bird disappeared beyond the trees. Tom slowly walked back home. He thought about Max again. He realized something very important. Helping others brings real happiness. From that day Tom changed. He noticed people needing help. He always offered help kindly. He never expected anything in return. He simply helped whenever possible. His friends started doing likewise. They helped people around their school. They helped older neighbors too. They cared for animals nearby. Their community became much happier. Tom learned one simple lesson. Small kindness can change many lives. A little help can mean much. We should always care for others, especially when they need our help. Tom never forgot little Max. He never forgot the injured bird. Those moments changed his whole life. He became kinder every single day. Kindness made him truly happy.